Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to allow Facebook notifications on your PC using the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, look at the top of your browser, near the web address bar. You'll see an icon that allows you to view site information. Click on it. This will open a small drop-down menu with various options related to the website. From this menu, click on Site Settings. A new tab will open, showing all the permissions and settings for Facebook. Now, find the section labeled Notifications. It's usually listed among other permissions like camera or microphone access. Next to Notifications, there will be a drop-down menu or toggle button. Click on it and select Allow. And that's it. You've successfully enabled notifications for Facebook on your PC. With this setting in place, you'll now receive updates directly from Facebook while browsing or working on other tasks. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need assistance. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more quick and easy tutorials.